Hello everyone, I am Samiksha Umredkar. I am from Buttipuri. I am the first year dental student of Sharad Pawar Dental College, which is a part of the Tamigi Institute of Medical Science. So I am glad to tell that our college is at 14th NIRF rank with NAC grade A+. The only one college in Maharashtra with NAC A+ accreditation. So what makes a college better than others? So the answer is the faculty and academics. The academics of a college is well organized with regular classes and practicals with sorted timetable. A college infrastructure and lab infrastructure is much better than government. Also, our college have library which provide all kind of study material which are required in our further studies. Speaking about the faculty is reputed and highly qualified with lots of achievements and experience. The most important thing of a college which makes better than other is we have lots of patient network for our clinical practices and teachers which act as mentors and students and seniors which are along with us and guide us to understand all the concept very easily. So when we go back to our pass out students and we ask about a college, they always speak about the hostel, mess and garden. As our Dean campus have beautiful food court with provide a variety of food stuff and have a green lusty garden spread across 125 acre with badminton court and football court. Our Dean campus always look after a safety of students as well as in college and hostel and cleanliness in around surrounding. And the Dean campus always look after the quick resolution of student issues. Being a religious college, we celebrate Ganesh festival in which the students enjoy all the days and give their blooming performances and show active participation in each and every event. So I am very happy with my decision to take part, be a part of Sharad Pawar Dental College. So I personally strongly recommend that the students who are willing to be a part of Sharad Pawar Dental College are always welcome to be